This message is transmitted by the New York City Police Department. And fight was seen 21 miles away from New York City Police Department. Some 2 girls and 4 boys are fighting each other. If you're in the scene, run in 21 miles or 68 feet. Or call 911 quietly. That's all our information. Please stand by for more updates. This is the 2 o'clock update. 10 boys joined the fight. 4 girls joined the fight too. This is the total of 20 people in the fight. 2 boys got injured because of the fight. 12 boys was remaining. 1 girl got injured too and 3 of them got into the hospital. They are still fighting. If you are still in the scene, call 911 immediately. That is all our information. Please stand by for more updates. Who fights before was now arrested. All of them. You are all safe now. We can now stop broadcasting.